You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Make a great choice today with 2015 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, cargo area light, heated front seats, console, cup holders. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.